Today we're going to do the Boxycharm unboxing for December. Yes, it's very, very, very late, I know, but it's better late than never, right? So anyway, I'm going to move this a little closer here. So anyways, let's get to it. I have the Boxycharm Premium. Let me move this again, sorry. I have the Boxycharm Premium and I have the Luxe for December. And if anybody doesn't know, Boxycharm is a subscription box. The Premium is $35 and the Luxe, I think it's $50. So yeah, we're gonna get on with it because I got two of them here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I just picked up the Luxe box instead of the Premium. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the Premium and then I'll show you the Luxe. So the Premium box, which is a $35 box, the first thing that I received in it that was my choice was the Viseart Natural Mattes 12-pan eyeshadow palette. Now, this palette is $80, which I would never spend $80 on a palette. I'm sorry, but that's way too expensive for me. The only reason why I got it is because they were offering it in here. You got the you got to pick between I think it was two of them, which is more of a natural palette and a colorful palette. And of course, because I like colors, I had to pick the color palette. So I will show you the one that I chose. Well, it's kind of neutral, but also got colors inside. So this is the one that I chose. Colors are nice. So I heard it's got really good color payoff and it's very, very good quality from Sabrina and the other people that I heard. So again, like I said, that's $80 here. The next thing on here that I got is the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. This is a $65. This super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. So it's a hydrating sleeping mask. Elemis is one of my favorite brands for skincare. But the next thing that I received in here is True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. This is a $46 palette. This Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essentials palette features ultra-fine texture and pure pigmentation in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous, skin-loving color, where each luxurious, handcrafted shade alone or blended together for a customized look. So this is the palette. Whoop. After you take it out of there, and I will open and show you. This is very, very pretty. Love the colors in here. And as you can see, it has a mirror. I'll show you even closer how pretty the colors are in here. Ooh. I absolutely love that blush color. That blush color is like right up my alley. So I really will not be using this too often right now. having to wear a mask all the time, but it'll go right with my other stuff. So it'll definitely be used. Okay. So, the next thing is Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Blush Matte Lipstick. And it's an $18 value. I looked at this earlier, and out of all the colors that they make, why did they have to send me this color? Wait till you see the color they send me. I wasn't too happy. I mean, I like to use different colors, but out of all the colors, this is the color they sent me. Okay, can you see the color? Green. Green. Out of all the colors they had, what was I, the last one that they made the box for? And they just decided, oh, let's send her green because she's different, right? But of all the colors, they send me like a forest green color. I really don't get that. I was very, very disappointed. Fenty Beauty. Really, Boxycharm? You send me a green shade? Disappointed. Very disappointed. This is called, if I can even read it because I don't got my other glasses, Midnight Wasabi. Midnight Wasabi. Next. The next thing is Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. Now that I like because I love Crown brushes. So cute packaging, real cute packaging. And let's see the brushes. Ooh, these are cute. Nice white handles and gold. Is it rose gold? I think it's rose gold. These are really cute. I like these. So I got those. And the retail on that is $34.95. And the last thing is Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Voluminous Mascara, which is $20. That's cute packaging too. I like that. And I will show you that. And I love mascara, so I love trying different mascaras. So this is the packaging. And I will show you the brush. Ooh, I should like that brush. I'll show you. It's a cool brush. It's not wicked thick, because I don't care for thick brushes. I love mascara. I got a full drawer of all different mascaras. Today I'm wearing, not using, but wearing the Thrive Cosmetic tubing mascara. Love it. Makes my lashes look awesome. And I'm wearing the brown shade because I love I do like brown mascara. So those are all the stuff. That is all the stuff that I got in that one. Now we'll get to the Luxe box. Ow. Okay, the Luxe box. I don't have a card, so I can't tell you how much the products are. For some reason, they did not put one in here. So I'm just going to pull the stuff out and show you. I don't know how much this stuff is. So, in here, in this red pouch, I take it on more brushes. If I can get it out of here. Oh, it's Luxie again. And this is all velvet. Ooh, pretty. And it is. It's more brushes. Ooh, nice. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Like I said, I love brushes, especially Luxie brushes. Nice. And I love the pouch. Cute. The next thing in here is Reza, Be Obsessed, Love My Leave-In for all hair types. What is this? It's a leave-in conditioner, or? Oh boy. And of course, it's so small I can't even read what this is. It's a leave-in something for all hair types. Well, it's a leave-in something. Must be a spray, some kind of spray. Oh, that smells good. Well, it's a leave-in. It must be a leave-in conditioning spray or something like that. Sorry, I can't read it. Lettering is way too small and I can't read it. But anyway, I got that. The next thing in here is Sunday Riley, which is expensive brand, is Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So I heard this stuff is really good. Again, I can't read this very well, so, but I did hear that it's very good. It's a high potency, purified grade lactic acid exfoliant, dull, pore clogging, dead skin cell to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. Wow, that took a lot to read that one. But that's really nice. So, got that. Got this little tubey tube here. Symbiosis London HA2 plus PUL hyaluronic acid and pulane, tightening and replenishing eye mask. Okay, so I got that. I got an Iconic London face palette. Cute packaging. Oh, this is pretty. Got some highlights and bronzer and blushes in it. This is very nice. So I got that. A Hip Dot eyeshadow palette. If you watched my other video on my eyeshadow palette declutter, you would have seen this because I did put it in there. But it's a very, very pretty palette. Has blues and greens and stuff in it. So I got that. I got these Rockin's Cosmetics Hot Mess eye pencils. They're Get in the Hot Mess with Rockin's black, blue, and green glitter gel eye pens. I've seen Manny use these, and he says they're not that great, but that's what these are. I think this was one of my choices because there was not that much to pick from. So I got these, and the last thing in here are Zaxi cubic zirconia earrings, which are retail $36. So that was in my Luxie for December. Like I said, I know it's late, but I figured I'd show you guys anyway. I do have a card on. So the January premium box is Fresh Start, and let me show you this one real quick. So this one, Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Here it is. That is this one. That is a retail of $48. And the next thing in here is the Ofra Cosmetics Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. That is this, and I was pretty excited to get this one because I think all of these are so nice, and I love Ofra Cosmetics anyway, but I am so in a hurry to use that mint green shade right there. It is so nice, and those highlighters in the middle, there's all different shades in there, and their highlighters are like the best. There's no way I could use this bronzer. That is so dark. But anyway, this is a really nice palette. So I'm pretty excited to use that. Let's see. Okay, so that, I don't know if I said that, but that Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask was $48. That Ofra Cosmetics palette is $39. I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got mine in lavender because most of the shades were already gone and I wasn't going to get banana. So I got the lavender shade. I don't know how good that's going to be on me, but I figured I would try it. But packaging is so nice. And I heard all these are really good, so like I said, I got the lavender shade. What is over here? Oh, it's the sifting cover. Oh, I was wondering what that was inside. But, so that there is $32. Then I got the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser, and that is $32, which is right here, which is nice because that's in I think that's an oil-free cleanser. It says Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser is clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollination. The 100% naturally derived formula shifts 3 times while you cleanse, starting as a jelly and shifting to an oil and then a milk to gently melt away dirt, makeup, and pollution for a soft, clean finish. And that was $32. The next thing in here is Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara, which is $24. So I got another mascara that I can try. So I will show it to you. So this is really nice. Let's see what is the... well, it's not too bad. Let me try it out, see how I like it. I said if I don't care for it, then I usually always give things to my daughter because she loves mascara herself. And the last thing in here is a PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with an antibacterial and anti-aging benefits with pure silver. ensuring a clean end to your day. And this is $30. Are you crazy? I wouldn't pay $30 for a little clean, little cloth like this. But anyway, that was in my last Boxycharm box. I'm gonna miss getting them, but I have so much stuff that I don't even know what to do with. So I decided that I should just cancel it and, you know, let other people get this stuff instead of me. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I enjoyed it, and yeah, so I will talk to you guys real soon. Take care and God bless. Bye.